Hello everyone. So as promised yesterday, today I have tackled the problem of the permanence of consumable items or spawned items that player can mine or collect in the world within the WorldGen system. Things like resources or like herbs, plants, anything. So here is the demonstration. Here now you see, let me play the game and let me put a character here so we can, right, so it is generated. Now here let me speed up and find the item. Yeah, one is over there. Let me slow down. Now here when I overlap with this object, it is collected by the player. It's just a simple overlapping logic. And now even if I move away and come back, it's not there, it's gone. So here what happens is I have created this simple logic. On begin overlap, here I have set this overlap sphere to overlap only pawn, and here I just set the lifespan of that object, and then I get a reference to my word streaming manager, and here there I have defined a function MarkSpawnConsumed. Here we need to pass the data asset that define this spawnable class, and then we need to give the to world position, xy position of this spawned actor. Then the system mark it as a already consumed object. So since our world is dynamically generated, and as my character can move away from, let me speed up here, let me further speed up. If I move away, you would see the chunks in the further away are removed, and along with that all the objects that are spawned in the world will be removed too. But if the player collect or consume a certain item in the world, when the player comes back to the same position, that spawnable item will not be spawned again. Right, now let me go to the presentation. So yeah, without consume positions, player mines or at a certain location and walks away and walks back, the ore is back every time. So without this consumed position fix, you will not be able to make them go on forever. So this would break survival RPG resource loop. So that's why this is very important for the system. And this is what happens internally. I pass this, we call this function MarkSpawnConsumed, and then it's just create a key based on the position and the asset, and then add it to the consumed spawn key set. Next time update spawner checks this cell, it will be skipped because we have marked it as consumed. So for this session we will never spawn anything here, not anything, spawn this particular item here again. And you can use the same function within blueprints and also within C++. And this is how the key works. And yeah, this is always deterministic, so you can use this in conjunction with your save and load system as well, so that you can make these consumed items this state persistence within across different sessions by using the save and load features. Yeah, this is how it would work. You can from the manager, that means the this world streaming manager, from this you can get consumed spawn keys, and you can put that into whatever the save game object that you are using based on the implementation of your game, And then next time when you load the game, you can get this consumed spawn keys from your save game object, and you can call this RestoreConsumedSpawnKeys function on the manager. So this RestoreConsumedSpawnKeys, here you just need to pass that data structure that is retrieved from your save game object. So already mined positions will never spawn in the next time. So if you want to have something like a timer that you want to make a certain resource respawn after a certain time, you can use a logic like this. So here the WorldGen system gives you the keys. You decide the roles, filter by time, level, or any kind of a story flag, and you can build your logic. And yeah, this is the resource loop. Begin play, load game, restore consumed spawn keys, and as the player enters the region, it updates spawners, and here skip consumed keys and spawn the rest. And when the player mines, it updates the consumed items by using this MarkSpawnConsumed function. And then yeah, when you save the game, get consumed spawn keys and write to save game, and when you load the game, restore consumed spawn keys. So this is the loop. And yeah, this is the summary of the API. Mark spawn consumed, get consumed spawn keys, and restore consumed spawn keys. That's pretty much it for this part. And this update is will be available soon in Fab. It is already available in Patreon. Yeah, this is already in review. So by the time you watch this video, this should be already available in Fab 2. Okay, so thanks for watching. As always, updated project files are here in my Patreon page and Fab, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave links to everything in description below. And if you are interested in creating a system similar to this, how to generate the runtime terrain, how to generate terrain in runtime in Unreal, refer to this playlist. Everything is implemented from scratch and explained. You can follow these episodes and implement everything by yourself too, so feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link in description below. And let me know if you need any further features to the system. I will update with them, and I will release updates for them too, so feel free to let me know in the comments. And thank you. See you in the next video. Goodbye.